Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to deliver for Amazon. So to deliver for Amazon, you can become a delivery partner through the Amazon Flex program or apply for a job as a delivery driver through Amazon Logistics. Here's how you can get started with. First thing, you need to sign up. So download the Amazon Flex app from your Apple Store or Google Play Store. So go ahead and open up your Play Store. Type in Amazon Flex. If you are unable to locate the following option, then you can also use the web browser. Type in flex.amazon.com. That's going to take you to the official page. Right on this page, you just have to go and click on Let's Get Started or Let's Drive. Then you need to go ahead and start creating your account. Once approved, you can schedule delivery blocks through the app, and delivery blocks are at times but during which you'll be delivering back. On your scheduled delivery block, head to the designated Amazon delivery station to pick up package. These packages will be assigned to you through the app itself. And after that, you can follow the delivery route provided in the app to deliver packages to customers' doorstep. You'll see the app to scan packages, confirm deliveries, and provide update on to the customers. Now you'll earn a set rate paid delivery block plus tips. The amount you earn will depend on a factor such as the number of packages you deliver. Likewise, you could also go and check for positions, and then you can submit an application for delivery drivers, and you'll have all of these interview as well as training. You can start delivering and earn compensation. So that is how you can deliver for Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.